Today, I'm going to teach you how to collect payment information without charging with Jotform. This is particularly useful when you want to securely store customer payment details for future transactions or subscriptions without immediately processing a charge. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard where you can see all your existing forms. Browse through and select the form you want to modify for payment information collection. Once you've found it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor, giving you access to all the customization tools you need. Now look over to the left panel of the form editor. Here you'll find the Add Element option. Click on it to reveal all the available form elements you can add. Navigate to the Payments tab, which houses all payment-related integrations. In this section, look for Stripe and click on it. Stripe is one of the most popular payment processors, and integrating it with your form allows you to securely collect payment information. Once you've added Stripe to your form, shift your attention to the right panel. You'll notice a Payment Properties icon. Click on it. This is where you'll configure how Stripe handles payments on your form. The Settings panel will open up, showing you various options for customizing the payment behavior. Here's the crucial step. In the Settings panel, you'll see a toggle labeled Charge Customer Immediately. By default, this is usually set to Yes, which means payments are processed as soon as the form is submitted. Toggle this option to No. This simple change allows you to collect and store payment information without actually charging the customer right away. This is perfect for situations where you need payment details on file but plan to process charges later, perhaps for subscription renewals or future purchases. Finally, click Preview Form located in the upper right corner of the page. This lets you see exactly how your form will appear to users and ensures that everything is working as intended. Take a moment to test the form by entering some test payment information to confirm that it's collecting details without processing a charge. And there you have it. You've successfully configured your Jotform to collect payment information without immediately charging customers, giving you flexibility in how you manage transactions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.